the king? And you never told us?
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reese, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I took this oversized hoodie and made it into this super cute two-piece outfit. So first things first, this is how the hoodie looks before, and all I'm going to do is go ahead and cut a straight line across from one underarm all the way to the other underarm. So once I'm done with that, this is how it looks, and I'm just going to go ahead and flip the bottom of the hoodie upside down because I want that the bottom part of the hoodie to be my waistband. So after I did that, I'm going to figure out where I want to put these two slits in the front, and that's going to be where I add a shoestring later. When you're doing this, make sure you pull it apart because you only want to cut through one layer of the waistband, so make sure you pull it apart before you snip, and you just want to go ahead and make one snip on the left side and one snip on the right side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks, just a little hole right there. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my body so I can see where I need to sew, and I'm just putting it around my waist. And as you can see here, it's a little bit wider than me, so I'm going to go ahead and, I guess, cut off some of the waistband. So I'm going to always sew first, so I'm going to just sew a stitch like that. And as you can see, after I sewed it, it was still super baggy, so I did have to go in and take off another inch or two. And as you can see, I'm going to show you a little better. Instead of just sewing like the waistband part, I'm going to go ahead and sew a diagonal all the way down to the bottom of the skirt. And you can kind of see the line it makes. That's exactly where I'm going to sew on both sides. So after I did that, this is how it fits, much better. So you can go ahead and cut off the excess fabric now because you know that it's going to fit you properly. And after you're done cutting, all you have to do is put the lace through the little slits that you made earlier. And I also went ahead and changed the shoelace in the top of the hoodie too so that it could match. And this is what I'm left with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.